Finding the courage to change. A fractal of source energy. There are many people who try to convince me that a higher power doesn't exist. They are scornful of someone who believes in something that cannot be seen. Well, I can't see gravity, but I don't doubt that it exists. Modern physics is beginning to prove the power of thought, belief, and prayer. I know that I live in an expanding universe. I know that everything is constantly evolving, changing, growing, and becoming. I know that I am a part of something bigger than myself. I can observe this with my physical senses. There's an amazing, beautiful, and abundant world all around me. There's so much diversity. The creative force loves creating. When I quiet my mind in meditation, I can connect with that creative source energy. The amazing miracle is that I get to play with the Creator. I'm not a puppet on a string. I have free will. I create my own reality with my thoughts, beliefs, and actions. I'm so powerful that I can deny my connection to Source. I can turn away. I can choose to believe a lie. As I believe, so it is. The Bible tells us that we are made in the image of the great Creator. But I don't think that the image is about our physical attributes. It can't be. We're not carbon copies. Our abilities to think, imagine, grow, evolve, and create make us the children of a higher power. I am a child of God because I have the same ability to turn thoughts into things. I am a fractal of source energy.